What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about livestock and sneaker related stuff, and today is gonna be scouting sourcing day, kinda a day of a reseller. So I'm going to drop off those orders from goat and some orders from eBay. So after that I'm gonna drop off the mall, and then around the area, Marshalls, Burlington, and also going scout on Nike factory store, checking out what do they have to offer so I could research them before the sale, if there's gonna be a sale tomorrow. So come along with me and I'll share you what I do a day of a reseller. Let's go. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Alright, done dropping off those orders. So now I'm going to the mall. Let's look around if I could find something good to resell. Let's go. I'm gonna look on this one. Vans Takahashi. Hey. Okay. Let's look on this one. It says here Vans Takahashi right there. So I'm gonna look this up. Alright, done with my research on this one. I'm gonna pass. So this Vans Takahashi has a promising price, resale value. They've been selling around 110 to 115, some sold, and it looks like a limited edition. Not really sure. Comment down below. Size 10. I got size 10, so not bad for the size also. $34.99. Conflicted 100, 105 or 110. I'll go with it. So the good part of me on this mall is I have this Ross behind me, Foot Locker. So it's right around the corner. So we're done on the first mall. So I pick up about 3 pair in each store. So we have here the finish line, and I didn't grab that much of this one because they only have 1 pair of these small sizes, and they only have a bigger sizes. So I have to stay away on those size. We have here the Women's Air Jordan 1 Low. The colorway is double black, red, siren, and white. So as you can see on the in-store video, nice colorway on this one. That hint of siren red or red right there is not bad though. Could be a good alternative for men's color, especially if they have the size 12 but they don't have size 12. Original price, a retail price on this one is $90. So after the $20 coupon, so it came down to $74.20 including the tax. So that's a good one now that I could get more returns, even though I could compete with the other reseller since I got them below retail. That's another good discount on Finish Line. Found this one in Jimmy Jazz, And how much on this one? We paid this one on retail because they don't have discount or program. But this one is the Air Jordan 1 Low University Blue, and it's on grade school. So even though I don't have got them on discount, I said it's still good because they are in grade school. Long hold a little bit on this one. Probably I'm taking at least minimum of 50 or 60% return, and especially nice colorway, black and blue, a little bit of white on the midsole, grade school. It will go up the price. Foot Locker. So I'm learning a lot on this small pickup, especially so I'm learning a lot maximizing the discount. So I have here the Jordan Y Not 0.3. The retail on this one is 130, and you've seen on the clips that they are selling they are on resale for $59.99. And also I use my coupon code for 30 bucks. I mean 30 bucks for $10. So after the coupon, it came down to $49.99 plus tax. That is came down to $52.99. They have been reselling about 100, 106. Now we're gonna look around at another second mall, and then after the mall, I'm gonna go on the Nike factory store. Let's go. And after going to the mall, next will be on the Marshall right there on the mall right now. So it's gonna be a little bit complicated on this mall because now it's gonna have too much clip because they are kind of strict filming. I already got twice told me that hey, you can't film here. So let's see. Second mall. First up, we got this one on Champs, and yep, someone, and there is already a reseller out there who took the other sizes, the bigger sizes. So I went in for this one, Air Jordan 1 Mid grade school. We have here the black shield red, and the quality on this one is not bad for that. Also kind of white shadow colorway, maybe not, but the colorway of black and white with that a little bit accent of red shoes, not bad for the price, which is somewhere around the retail $90. Unfortunately, no discount on the Champs. Moving on the Foot Locker, actually we got 3 pairs in the Foot Locker. We have here the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE grade school. Colorway is white, red, black, and Igloo. Retail is 100, and I got size 4 and 5.5 right there. And let's pop that open. Boom, there we go. Not bad for another grade school size of kind of black. So but this one, it has some kind of different kind of material. The other reseller also already there when I got in, so he got the other sizes, so I got the leftover. Another pair on the Foot Locker. So we have here the women's Air Jordan 1 Mid, and it is size 6. I thought it was grade school, but then again, it is a women's size 6. And now we're moving on to the finish line. So we bought the last pair on the finish line. We have here the Jordan 1 Mid Low. Same thing that I found in the other Foot finish line, and same transaction that I did. I had to do a different transaction, separate transaction, so I could maximize the discount using the $20 coupon, and same total is $74.20. 2 pairs of this one, not bad, with that siren red again. Ooh, they're coming on with this siren red colorway. It's not bad. I got here the size 5 and size 7, so got the smaller sizes, and the good thing, got them for below retail, maximizing using the discount, $20 off, and to my surprise, and now we got something also sitting on the mall. We got some Easy Boost 350, my size 10 and a half. Man, oh man, why it's in my size? There we go. Actually, I thought the lady who was right there, I thought she might gonna buy it, but I weighed out if she's gonna buy it, but nope. Well, it's not bad colorway, especially sometimes I don't get any discount of Adidas Yeezy Boost 350, mainly retail, especially on adidas.com or the website. Well, I'm gonna think about it. I'm gonna keep it for the collection or resell it, since it's size 10 and a half. And this size, particular size, no, it's gonna take longer because 350 are flooded. But anyway, I didn't think twice to get them, because I knew that there's gonna be a discount. The retail is $220 minus a $20 discount, $200 plus tax, so around $212. Now we're done on mall. We're going to the Marshall, and then when I'm done with Marshall, probably I'm gonna go to the Nike factory store, and then after that probably Nordstrom and Ross. So I hope you're still with me. Let's go. All right, next up, Marshall. Done in Marshall. Nothing I could find something for profit, so let's go to the other store.